Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offline on the application of Facebook. You will go to settings, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find here Facebook app. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your watching and your attention.